Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, it looks like a nice couple of days ahead. Some high-level clouds from time to time over the next couple of days. Temperatures a little bit milder into the 70s for afternoon highs, and overnight lows not as cool, but we have not one but two cool fronts on the horizon. One's a cool front, the other one's a cold front. We'll show you that coming up in just a bit. So let's go outside and take a look at our weather shot this evening. And this has been the story throughout the weekend. Beautiful high-level cirrus clouds. I'd much rather have this than just a plain blue sky. Makes the sky so interesting, and these wispy cirrus clouds are way up there, 35,000 feet. They're made of ice crystals because temperatures at this level well below zero, in the 50, 60, 70 below zero range. So these are ice crystal clouds, and sometimes you can see sundogs and stuff like that, and they make for pretty halos around the sun and moon from time to time, especially in the winter months. We see that more and more as we head into the winter. So let's kick it upstairs, take a look at where those high-level cirrus clouds are coming from. There's an upper low over here offshore the southwest U.S., and that's tapping that high-level cirrus, the high-level Pacific moisture that's streaming across the region and caught in a zonal flow, and that zonal flow means a pretty steady state weather pattern for us. This upper low up here in Canada is going to open up the door for not one but two cool fronts in the next 10 days, and the second one, it certainly looks more like a cold front as we indicated earlier. Generally fair skies across the region, more clouds off to the east where there's some pretty sunset pictures coming in from the Mobile and Florida Panhandle area. Some mid clouds across Texas. You can kind of see it showing up here. That'll be moving across the area tonight and will help to insulate us and keep us a little bit milder for overnight lows, with temperatures holding in the mid 50s, we think. Mild back across Texas and over by Florida. The rest of us cool, and it gets colder as you go farther to the north. And as we look at our NAM high resolution 3-kilometer model here, clouds on the increase through tomorrow morning. The model going for maybe a few sprinkles over southwest Louisiana, but we'll keep rain chance 10% early in the day. And as the day wears on, more sun, less high clouds, so temperatures getting into the lower 70s at lunchtime. We'll top out somewhere near the mid 70s, and for drive time looks good. A little bit of a freshening of a northeast wind tomorrow evening. That's going to bring in slightly cooler temperatures as we head toward Wednesday morning. We'll favor low to mid 50s, and then Wednesday afternoon, lots of sunshine with temperatures getting well into the mid, maybe even the upper 70s. So a nice day ahead. Let's switch over to the European model, and here comes that next front. It'll be getting here late Thursday afternoon. Scattered showers, maybe a thunderstorm. Not expecting any severe weather. That front pushes on through, sets us up for a nice and cool Friday with lingering clouds, highs holding in the 50s. Saturday looks nice with a high near 60 and mid 60s on Sunday. And then as we head into early next week, a stronger cold front will be working its way southward, and this one's going to have some bite to it as well. It's going to feel like winter behind this front. Look at the Tuesday afternoon temperatures, upper 40s, and then maybe getting close to the freezing mark come next Wednesday morning. Could see a wet weather scenario developing thereafter. No winter precipitation here, but maybe up toward I-20 down the line, but that's 8 to 10 days away. We won't worry about that at this point. Rainfall with the frontal boundary Thursday, generally an inch or less. Could see a stripe of a little bit more than that. We'll just watch the trends over the next several days. Near term, though, we're looking at lows in the mid-50s tonight and getting into the low to mid-70s tomorrow. And good-looking weather as we head into Wednesday. Thursday, 60% on the rain chances for Thursday evening. Friday, a nice and cool one. This weekend, another winter. And temperatures could be in the frost zone Saturday or Sunday mornings, and then maybe a frost or light freeze with that next front that follows.
All right, thank you, Rob.